Right, so I've been using Ryco filters for as long as I can remember. I mean, it's a pretty well-known Australian brand name. It's been around since the 1930s. And they've just recently released a new filter called the O2 Rush. And they've got a new O2 Rush panel air filter. So I've got this Ford FG Falcon here. We're going to take it to the dyno and do some back-to-back testing. Okay, so it's not going to be like a how-to, a DIY, any sort of serious investigation. It's just going to be a simple test to see if this thing can deliver the goods. Alright, we're here at Heinrich Performance and Tuning in Lonsdale in South Australia. Now we've got this FG XR6 on the dyno here, perfect test mule for what we're doing, and this just so happens to be the filter that's come out of it. It's a standard paper filter, it's disgusting, it's done about 150,000 Ks. This is a replacement standard sort of paper filter we're going to be trying as well. It's an aftermarket performance filter and the new Ryco filter. So we'll be running all these in the car and seeing what happens. G'day. Okay, so we've got 143.8 kilowatts with the factory one, the filthy one. So we're going to put this replacement one in and see what that does. Standard style one going in. Okay, so we've got 145 kilowatts at the wheels end, just a fraction more than the dirty one, which is what pretty much expected. So now we're going to put the aftermarket performance one in and see what that does. Alright, so there you go, we've got another 1.6 kilowatts with the aftermarket replacement performance filter. We're going to put the Ryco one in now and see what that does. Right, so there you go, 147 kilowatts of the wheels, just a fraction more than the aftermarket performance filter we put in last run. So basically, here's your option. You can start off with a standard filter that just gets filthy and you have to keep replacing it. Or you can get an aftermarket filter like the Ryco one, which you can just keep pulling out and cleaning every time you want to service the car. And it's also going to give you more power. So, your choice.